Hello friends and welcome back to MZ Learning. Friends, Microsoft has announced a new feature for PowerPoint users on the web. Now you can insert videos from your computer into PowerPoint web slides, and it's super easy. First, open the PowerPoint presentation that you want to add the video to. And then go to the slide where you want to insert the video. On the Insert tab, click on the video. Then, click Video from this device. In the Insert Video dialog box, navigate to the folder on your computer that contains the video you want to insert. And then select the video, and click Open. The video will be uploaded and inserted into the slide. After that, you can move, resize, or rotate the video as needed. Microsoft recommends using MP4 files in PowerPoint Web, but it will also support the following file types. Please keep in mind, this feature supports video files up to 256 megabytes. Also remember, Microsoft is rolling out this feature in a phased manner. If you are not seeing it now, you need to wait a few more days before Microsoft makes it available for you. Want to learn more? Please subscribe MZ Learning YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.